Kublai pi barok syaka tup khubor jengi ke Don Bosco Media Network. Kimat kiba kongsan mentaka sengi kilong. Ka sorkar Meghalaya kala pha eka kerteng jeng uksiang syaka tenat kampo yeng joka sorkar pedeng hakabaya debat ki kam erang. Pliu MLA uba George Bilingdo yaka Eri Weave ha Prime Startup Hub HJN Stadium Hamadan Puro Shillong. Yokem ki pulit ka South Garo Hills District ya arngut kinong khayidrok pad yok kurup drok ru naki. Kajing dan ki technical school ka pen urlong ya kajing pos ni Don Bosco bakun ban pentrekam ya ka BMZ project Don Bosco Technical School Shillong. Tementang ni apaish ki khubor ki bakham bania. Menteri Ketenat Pulit uba alakman rumbui mentakasngi ulaya thu baka sorkar Meghalaya kaladap pha eka kerteng jeng uksiang syaka tenat kampo yeng joka sorkar pedeng banja saat ha pedeng ka sorkar Meghalaya ka sorkar pedeng bar ka kunhun erang HNLC. Habakran hakila pathai khubor hadin ka jingalang joka kunhun menteri uba rumbui ulaong baya menta la banya thu eka kerteng jeng uksiang.
Home Ministry and as Home Ministry that given the name, and we have not get back from the ministry as of now. And as you know that the Honorable Chief Minister will go and meet on the border issue with the Home Ministry. I think side by side he will take up this issue also so that the matter could be taken at the earliest. We have sent the name which we thought that it is acceptable to both the central government and the state government. And after that, then we will see what is to be done. Let this first step, we want this first step to be moved as fast as possible from the government. So let this first step completed, then only we will do all the nitty-gritty afterwards. Then the HNLC can directly contact with this person, whoever may be appointed. Then the nitty-gritty of that talk will be known after that. So as of now, it's too premature for me to say anything on before the appointment of the person concerned.
Habalakali ya kajing bakinong hikai SSA kia kendo uba rembui ulaong ba ukmi lemti ba enna ban le ya katulop jukinong hikai SSA hadin joka mangtengka arhajar arpoar hado arhajar arpolai.
SSA is a very difficult subject. I feel that pity for the people for their own right, they have to come to the street. Having said that, we from the government, we are trying to do what it is needed to do so that we will get the installment from the central government. We are very happy that we are one of the few states which have got the full first installment from the government of India. And now all the necessary UC, this and that we have submitted to the central government. In fact, last week also I am in Delhi to pursue for the second installment of this thing. So on the behalf of the government, I request that they should see that we are trying to it, and as we know that the budget is starting on the 4th, and I hope that something could be done before the 31st of March regarding the pending salary. We from the state government, the government will try to do something which I hope that after the budget. So from the government side, we request that nothing should be done until and unless through protest, this and that. But having said that, the government is trying its best, and we will try to do what maximum possible before the 31st of March 2022.
Udukot jong kaying dorbar tawaan ka Meghalaya uba George Bilingdo mentakasngi ula play ya kajing penslur ya kajing tan ya kijan muka bat rendia ya kabalatip kum ka Eri Weave ha Prime Startup Hub HJN Stadium Hamadan Polo Shillong. Kawai na kinong prat lenti hakikam tan muka bat rendia ka kong yai sya rambai kala penslur lem ya kiwai bakin tre ya kani kakam. Kibalaya don lang hakani ka program kilong UKN Kumar IAS ubadai pej ka Farmer Welfare Commission bar GHP Raju IAS Principal Secretary ubadai pej ka Corporation bat ka tenan Rijingri.
Kilong thir gijongi khamtam kibalaya don lang hakani ka pon ni ai kublaya biru ngan sedang da ka baong kumi ladau try te ya ka yeng kiminot le no e bate ya ka So ladam day da ka jingkar khu jong play nginom la ban ya don lang hangi ban nginom la ban tay ya ka ying jong ka Eri Weave ha kini ki kendiat snap. Except the Lord build a house, they labor in vain that build it. So it is because of God blessing that we are here. Because of God blessing, we can build the family of Eri Weave till this moment. So today, I'm not going to share about my journey as an entrepreneur. I'm going to share with you the people behind the scene. Kibri, kibadan shadin jonga. The people who push me up, the people who support me to be here today.
Ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress mentagasngi kalapen pau ya ka jings ngokia hakabaya de bat kalawai jong ki samla. Habai keren bagila pathai Khubor u President ka MPYC u amla Adrian L Khan Melim ula ong bagi samla menta ki kendu bon ki jing e la ka long hakayo kam yo jam ka puli puthi bat khamtam e hakabaya de bat udrak.
We are not here to criticize anyone. Rather, we just want to raise a few questions with regards to that. Because we are greatly concerned as to what's happening in our state, the situation we are all in. If our youths are losing their lives to drug addiction, if they're getting involved in petty crime, if they are leaving the state to pursue higher education for greener pastures, we feel all of these are very troublesome. We understand that there are a few youths, due to unemployment, are unable to feed their families, and at the same time they are resorting to petty crime because they don't want to starve, but they have no opportunities elsewhere. It is truly saddening to see our youth suffering so. If we, the youths who bear the weight of the future on our shoulders, are not given such opportunity, then I worry about what lies ahead for us. What do we look forward to? We, the Congress youth, are greatly concerned for the welfare of our state and the future that awaits us. We, the Congress youths, feel we have a sense of responsibility towards this future, and we will work for it. We owe it to ourselves, and we owe it to our state. We urge the youths of our state to not take these matters lightly. We can all talk about change and politics from the comfort of our own homes, but only action can bring the necessary change. We implore the youths to come together with us. There are also a few of you who are hopeful, who want to bring about that change in the state. And there are a few of you who have your own ideas and suggestions on what we must do. We urge you, come together with us. We want talented youths in our party, and as you can see, we have together with us a very talented team of individuals who will strive and who will work hard towards the future. Come together with us, share your ideas, and we will discuss. We'll think of things, we'll come up with solutions on how we can tackle the growing issues in our state. We, the Meghalaya Youth Congress, will be the platform to voice out your concerns.
Hindi kasngi kasitarik ulaber hajar arpuar kaseng Neutrap Integrated Territorial Organization East Giant Hills kalalit jurip ya ka Civil Hospital Cleariat hapo ka jingalam jung President uba Deibor mi Rembai bad u General Secretary uba Sukini Dekar. Hakani ka jinglet jurip ki dekot jong kaseng kilalam barang buon ki jingduna ki bahapan penbiang hakani ka jaka ajing sumar.
Kita daw ikerpat juri ya sarkar wa untuk one upgrade lagi kami doa sanbor ikwa ele chwa upgrade ya ni ga CIC yang di chaga civil hospital umang no tak fully dom jang ya kita hande ke jing chem yang ini to ke jing penku dan ya kana ga CIC chaga civil hospital man go doha sanbor doni kat kamu jing chem yang ini bon ke jing duna ini dongoro ke jing duna ini tegamta ina lang yang sen da kerpat juri ya ke sarkar ba kamjo le ya hek yang distrik yang i sini udisi wa chimkhia ya ni ka kam wa penbiang ya jing am kam waro ni kam tam to hajing to wa ni palong le ka kam yoi poro bai ong gi sepak palong Tapi jing cem yang ini tok do apa rupa palong dan hi. Memang ada gak cispa palong. Tega infrastruktur le man gamte. Te nalor gitu yang hi. Hajingnya tok wa uti wan. Ke uti ong gida em hi kita rita da em lumala tang wa kaya ga kada ba ani wam em mukre kam tok ong em doktor anestesia. Hito kerpat ia ki man bay man pa yong isjan tia worok gi wa kun tuile u khnang wa u pencelur gi kon yong ki wa u pure doktor khamta ma ya yo hini to doktor anestesia ong em myo etai da wi kun tu jori ya gi bay gi man pa yong isjan tia worok wi wa u kun tu gi ya gi kon yong ki la ni pencelur gi kon yong ki ha ta rukom wa u pure gi ya ni ga lan yong ga anestesia
Ki pulit ke South Garo Hills District kilayo kem ya arngut kinong khayidrok na malikona jong ka Shillong bakmara kat ba kidang persang ban penpoy ya kini kidrok syaki jaka khapo jong ka Meghalaya barbande ya ki sa Bangladesh. Ki pulit da ka jingerap jong ka kunhon anti narcotic task force ningkong kilayo ban kem ya uwei ubreu uba ki suba ba udan kiti hakikam khayidrok. Hene kasngi ka shitarik ula BRR hajar RPOR ka Shillong Sports Association kala penlong ya ka second division semi final jong ka football hamadan third ground polo balaya kun hapdeng kalat kor SC bat ka marbisu SC ka jingale kai habdeng ki arkun hon kala long ka ba e ban penkut hadu bakala poi sha ka tie breaker kalat kor kala yo ka namla do bat kan yo ban ya kun final persha ya ka melim SC.
Lajok.
Hene kasngi ka shitarik ula BRR hajar RPOR la sedang pentri kam ya ka BMZ project daga Bosco Integrated Development Society ka Child Aid Network and BMZ Germany. Hakani ka project la kentup ki babuan ki training ki ban ajing mentoy ki khun samla ki bawat kam ban pentebet yala de hagaban thanjan bat sujan textile and clothing hagaban shna kali auto and auto components ban shna yeng building construction ban shna bat shedjing bam food processing ban pentebet hakikam core computer ban shna computer electronics and hardware ban ajing hikai pen bhabreu bat ka kot ka khya beauty and wellness. Hakani kasngi laya don lang Father Genesius Wanyang, Executive Director ka BITS, Matthew Dangmei, Program Manager, Father Saji Stephen, Rector ka Don Bosco Technical School, Father Arcadius Puwen, Principal ka DBTS, Brother Barnabas Kriem, Manager ka DBTS, ki nong hikai, ki khna school bat kiwe. Kiba ajingkran hakani kasngi ki kentobi Father Arcadius Puwen, Matthew Dangmei, Program Manager, Brother B Kriem, but Father Rector Saji Stephen.
Have you here? Please don't disturb me too much. Sometimes I forgot about IT because of the project. So if you take the right decisions or the right choices today, definitely you will have a successful life.
First of all, I'd like to congratulate those of you who are coming first time to the Moscow. Thank you for choosing the Moscow as a place of learning for you.
The students of Moscow, those who were here the other day, I told you how it was so.
It might be through family. Welcome to the family. We're glad that you have come to share your life with us as we grow in love and may we always be to you. With God will have us be a family always there to be strong
Pada kitugi khubor ngila poi syuka bakun, tar hadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.